their territory and identifying themselves to other cats. It's like leaving their personal signature wherever they go. Grooming also serves as a stress reliever. When cats are anxious or stressed, grooming can help calm their nerves. Additionally, it plays a role in social bonding. Cats often groom each other as a sign of affection, and they may even extend this behavior to their human companions. It's a sign of trust and comfort. Lastly, a cat's grooming habits can be a window into its health. Changes in grooming behavior, like over-grooming or under-grooming, can indicate stress, allergies, or other health issues. If you notice any significant changes in your cat's grooming routine, it's always a good idea to consult with a veterinarian. So there you have it, the fascinating reasons behind why cats